This is part of the extended version I have on YouTube, so I'll link that. I was just checking my bio, but what you're looking at is a house finch, and this is the male with that nice patch of red, and then his chick's gonna pop up soon. And she's a bit plain Jane in comparison, but they noticed something. He didn't see it yet. This guy, which I call DeeBo, is a northern Mockingbird, I believe. And if you see the extended version, he already ate. So I think they're very territorial. He's not hungry. They love the little mealy worms that he's stepping on right now. He just doesn't like the other birds. I don't know what it is. But he's gonna leave. They're gonna return. I think she's gonna return with a friend, because I think the male is hiding somewhere. He's hiding in the back on a branch, but she returns. She's gonna get her eaten in. I guess she has better vision because she can see him from a mile away. A DeeBo. It comes back. He does this with every other species of bird. So this is DeeBo. He's gonna leave eventually, and then the house finches are gonna come back and do their thing. But yeah, I don't know why it's such an inverse when it comes to birds, or these types of birds. See how beautiful he is? And he has to keep that up. She can look plain and stuff, I guess. This is messed up. But there you go. House finches.